Hi there, please like and subscribe to we learn how to take off short videos on YouTube. Tap plus, tap shorts, you can add sound, we can search, for example. We can tap save official music, okay? Recommend, see more. Genres, hip hop, pop, dance, R&B soul, alternative speed up slowed, country, Latin, K-pop speed up. And the top sounds. Tap. We can change the length of the video if we want if we want to make a 1 minute video. This is the front camera. Tap. Timer, countdown, 10 seconds, 20 seconds drag to change where record stops. If you want, tap it again to take video, start over. These are different effects. New. Appearance, length, background. Simple. Okay. Tap here, more filters, soft looks, retouch, off, on, light, lightning off, on, flash. Let's shoot one video shorts for testing. Okay, filter. You can cancel. Filters. "15 seconds." We can add text. For example. Tap. We can timing. We can change the folder. We can add subtitles, captions, and okay, voice over. Hi everyone. We can ask a question. We can add yours. Viewers can respond with their own short. We can add a poll. Viewers can vote on a poll option. We can adjust the sound. We check. Tap next. Process. Okay, caption your short. We can add hashtags. Visibility. Anyone can search for and view and list. Anyone with the link can view. Private, only people you choose can view. Schedule. We can add location. Select audience. Related video. Should allow video and audio remixing. Allow only remixing. Add paid promotion. Does this video include paid promotion? Yes, no. If you want compulsory to include a product or service in your video, you're required to let us know. If so, we'll alert you that your video contains paid promotion. Next, altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Alter footage of a real event or place. Generate a realistic-looking scene that didn't actually occur. No. Okay. Next. Comments. More comment moderation. Hold potentially read comments. Hold a strict holdable range of potential errors. Comments. Hold all comments. No. Okay. Allow all. We check. We can tap text. Tap upload short. Tap your videos uploaded to your videos. 3 seconds. Tap. Vibrant colors. Tap your video. Tap the 3 dots. We can save to playlist, share video, WhatsApp, other social media. We can edit. Edit advanced setting in Studio. Save to device. Please keep the app open while saving. You can now view your finished device. Okay. We can delete. These are my YouTube Shorts videos. Let's see the statistics. Sort by most views. Okay. Top analytics. 427 views, 3 likes, plus 1 subscribe. This is your most view short. Wow, this short got okay 327 more views than usual. Nice. Audience top ages genders, top locations. The video was created public.